how to change your Facebook name to Japanese name. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can change Facebook name to Japanese name. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, we will convert our name into Japanese. For that, you can open up Google in your device and in the search bar type in Japanese text. Now you can head over to the first link on your interface, that is lingozam.com. And here at the top type in your name, and as you can see just below that you have your name in Japanese. You can copy this Japanese name. Once you have copied from here, now head back to Facebook and open up Facebook in your device and make sure that you're logged into your account where you want to change your name. Tap on your profile with the three line at the top right, head towards the settings. Under settings, head towards the Meta Account Center and here tap on your profiles at the top. Select your Facebook profile, then tap on name. Once you're here, now you can clear your first name and paste your name there. If you want to do with your last name also, you can repeat the same steps. Once you're done adding your first name, here it says if you change your name, you cannot change it again for 60 days. So with that on your mind, tap on review change, and after that, your name is now changed to Japanese name. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.